conduct me of interview about their opinions. Live course.
Oh my God! Wow!
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Cassandra Malutigayun. I am a BSMA second year student.
Find out that your boyfriend is dating a man.
If I found out that my boyfriend is taking a man, at first, my reaction would be, I would be in pain, and I would be hurt, and I would question my worth as a woman, But as I am contemplating the situation, I would accept and I would let him go and be happy. I want him to be happy, man. So. I am Janelaika Aragat. I am 18 years old from BSA course.
What if you find out that your boyfriend is dating a man?
My reaction would be I would be sad and upset, but also I would be understanding and ask him why he did that to me. Because it was not necessary for him to cheat on me. He could just tell me that he is in love with another man, and I would be understanding and will be happy.
Thank you, Miss.
Hi, my name is Hannah Isabel Sigulari, 18 years old, first year BSA student. So if I have a boyfriend and then I found out he is dating for me, in a relationship with me, so first, doon ako mag-feelings, mag-enjoy. Pero if my boyfriend really loves that man, give way na lang ako kasi naman ang iwas niyang hearts. I am first year.
The question is, what if you find out that your boyfriend is dating a man?
Siguro, first maglagot ko na because ako siya na loan, bayad siya. Pero, tungkol dahil cheat siya na ako. Ano, ako nilang pwede actually mo if you found out na yung relationship niya o cheat mo.
I'm Jane Sondra. I am from the nursing department.
What if you find out that your BF is dating a man?
Actually, nako iya bro. So, kana thinking sa question kay I don't know ra kung magkatawa kay kanang questionable kayo kay nganong nanguyab siya girl tas kanang munguyab po siya laki, di ba? So, base na siya kanang nag-gender crisis pa siya. So, ang akong buhaton kay makigbuwa guro.
Kanang, hi, my name is Steven Menyoza and kanang, what's your name?
My name is Cindy RTN.
And course,
Course, BSMT 1Q. First year.
question mo usa lang.
Oh.
What if you found out that your BF is dating a man?
Actually, ma-shock ko kay wa sa ko ga-expect nga gay siya.